bum, 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 bum. Alright, this should be good. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm sure you can. We'll see. It was a little late, but we'll wait till like 11:05 to get started on our multiplication. Alright, let's get started. It might be a little loud actually. Let me turn it down a little more. Alright, there we go. Okay, it can be heard, but barely in the background. Okay, so today we're going into multiplying by 4. Now, this is where things can get a little fun, because we are now going to introduce decomposing. All that means is you take a harder fact and make it into a known fact. So, I'll show you what I mean. Right here it shows you what it means, but it might be kind of confusing. So let's take a look at camera 2. Oh. So, they gave us the example of 4 times 9, right? So, 4 times 9, let's say you don't know it, right? And counting by 4s is hard, and honestly this looks really, really difficult. And you want to quit and give up, right? But we don't do that. We don't do that. So 4 times 9, and I really like the way they show it, so I'm going to do it too. So they have an array. An array is just a picture showing a math problem. So, we do this. And so now we make 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we get 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 35, 36. There are 36 total squares, so we know 4 times 9 is 36, right? That's one way you could do it. That's one way you could do it. But, what if you said, well, I don't know what 4 times 9 is, but I do know, or I can do 2 times 9. Okay? I do know what 2 times 9 is. Here I divided it up into 2 different, colors. by 1, 2, and by 9, right? 2 by 9. So you know that 4 is just 2 times 2. So 4 times 9 becomes 2 times 9 plus 2 times 9. This is called decomposing. It works really good with 4. Even with 6, let's say you know your 3 is really good and you can decompose 6 into 2 and 3. It's a little bit more complicated. 4 lends itself the best to this. And so you know that 2 times 9, count it up real quick, you get 18 plus 18, which will also give you 36. That's a really, really useful strategy because it allows you to use your 2s. Obviously, I would love it if you guys memorized your 4 tables also. But if not, you know, if you got your 2s down, use them. Let's look at number 3 real quick. Number 3 on your independent practice is 5 times 4, right? So 5s are pretty easy, but let's say we don't know, right? This is 20. I know one of you can get this really quick, really quick, and then you troll me because you think it's funny. But I'm sure all of you know the answer to this one. One of you just likes to have fun with it and pretend you don't know, and then, you know, get it right at the last second. The gamer, Torres, you know who you are. So 5 times 4, right? Well, that's just, you could also say that's 5 times 2 plus 5 times 2, right? Not that 5 times 4 was hard. We know that this would be 20. But we know that 5 times 2 is 10 plus 5 times 2 is 10. If that's, you know, that's honestly a great way. Not only is this a neat little trick to get your 4s, this is actually a complicated, not complicated, a very, well, no, it is complicated. Who am I joking? A complicated and useful trick for much later in life when you get to algebra. Decomposing is very useful. It's basically factoring, and factoring is a concept that a lot of kids struggle with when they get to high school or middle school, or, you know, pre-algebra, I should say, like 8th grade, things like that. So this is actually a really cool skill to learn. Just a nice weapon to have, you know, to try to maybe get that super effective damage against some harder math boss problems. You know, if just, you know, memorization is great, but being able to do something like decomposition is fantastic. Because eventually you guys are gonna be doing math problems that aren't just gonna be, you know, 1 through 9s, and so decomposing will help you not only get the problems right, but get them right quickly. And honestly, it's just like I said, it's a cool tool to have. Learn it, live it, love it. But yeah, if you got your 4s memorized, this should be easy. You know, give the parents, if you're watching with them, have them split up their 4 into 2 2s at least once. Have them do it at least once. Maybe number 5. 7 times 4. Well, actually, no, that's an easy one. The hardest one is 9 times 4, but we're gonna do that one together. Have them do it once so they can see, you know. It's useful. I think it's great. Anyways, kind of a short video today. 4s are easy, but next we are tackling division. And next week will be a different number next week. No, there's no way we're going to multiplying by ones. No. Oh, ones and zero. Okay, so it looks like we're ending the year with something nice and easy. How fun. How fun. That's good. Less stress. But yeah, I'll see you guys Wednesday for dividing by 4. If you want to get a leg up for Wednesday's lesson, I just, get those facts down. Get good at multiplying by 4, and you'll be really good at dividing by 4. That's all I can tell you guys. Hopefully you guys got some flashcards. Hopefully you're using them. Hopefully, you're memorizing your multiplication tables. I think I did end up getting a table onto the drive. Let me double check to make sure. I'm pretty sure I did. All this seems deja vu-y, like I've done it before. Yeah, I did. I did put a table on here. Yeah, use the table, or don't. It's up to you. But that's gonna be it from me. We're grinding these facts, guys. You guys should be grinding these facts. Whether or not it's Monday or Wednesday. You should be grinding them every other day of the week too. That's going to set you up for some easy math, later in life. Grind these tables out, guys. Grind them out, grind them out, grind them out. Alright, well, like I said, I'll see you Wednesday for division. Wash your hands, stay safe, and peace out.